So CGI Institute of Engineering and Technology is a member of ICT Academy. Through ICT Academy, we have implemented Center of Excellence for Women Empowerment in CGI Institute of Engineering and Technology. So under this program, 60 girl students are being trained will be trained into the domain of cyber security by the cyber security experts using the Palo Alto Cyber Security platform. So to this function, we have a guest over here, a guest with us. So I welcome.
Cyber security is everywhere. Just now I was discussing, since I am the part of Art, Science and Commerce College, degree college, cyber security is prescribed as compulsory part of syllabus. It is prescribed in the NEP to make aware of all the students. First thing is giving awareness about cyber security is the beginning stage of empowerment, because most of the women are becoming victims nowadays through the social media. Knowing about cyber security itself is making you empowered. Then if you are trained in cyber security, that is more addition to your cyber security training. You can make aware of the other people, how you can empower yourself, empower your family members or society or the organization where you are working. That way you can get the job on the basis of cyber security, but at the same time general public are becoming victims of these cyber crimes. I hope every day we are viewing in the TV and reading in the newspapers. Someone lost so many amount by just clicking a fraud or fake link. It is nothing but a cyber crime.
The intention of this BPP and the collaboration with NITI Aayog is to impart the training program for the higher education teachers and for the students, make them ready for the industry. For faculty members, we do have different training programs, and for the second phase, for the students also we have different training program, online as well as offline. So ICT Academy based on 7 parameters. First one is FDP, Faculty Development Program. So that is the certification program. We do conduct faculty development program on technical and non-technical and both the aspects. That is purely related to the faculties. For the students, we have a skill development training program. We have youth empowerment, we have women empowerment, we have digital magazine, we have UGC research journals, and finally come to the placement. As of now, almost all the degree colleges as well as engineering colleges are our active members, ICT members. So we deliver all our services to our members only.
I am Sumaya Ayman Medde from CSC Department of SICAV Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am here to give feedback. I would like to thank our college, that is SICAV Institute of Engineering and Technology, for providing this opportunity of cybersecurity training. I would like to thank ICT Academy for giving this opportunity. We are gladly to have it. During the program or during the session, we have learned about lab programs, we have learned about cybersecurity domains, features, challenges, threats, etc. And we have learned theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge in this. Lastly, I would like to thank our placement officer Nyamatullah sir and ICT Academy and Honeywell for providing this opportunity. Thank you.
Myself, Umme Sarma from SICAV Institute of Engineering and Technology, CSC. First of all, I would like to thanks to the SICAV for having this great opportunity. We are glad to have this training. Throughout this journey, we have learned about the cyber security, its domain, its threat, how to apply in the future scope. Throughout this journey, we have learned about the practical knowledge also. At the last, I would like to thanks to the Nyamatullah sir, ICT Academy and the Honeywell. Thank you.